Hello everybody, welcome to Season 1, Episode 1. What are we doing tonight, Steven?
We're going live into the box.
Oh my gosh. I cannot wait. How about you?
What could be inside?
I don't know.
Well, Edinburgh is glad to have us. You know what they say about Edinburgh? It
Bigger
is.
the better?
It's a community college price, but a Division I experience. Edinburgh
That's
University.
the experience we got.
Well, Shep, I say we dive in to the box and see what's inside.
I can't do this. I can't.
It's gonna bite?
Yeah, I hope it better. Oh, easy. Gummy bears. Gummy worms. Done. First try.
First try?
First try.
Did you even get a chance to experience
Nope.
it? It was so fast.
You want me to try again?
I think it's a stress relief ball that was shredded up into small 1,000 pieces.
Alright, how about then you can eat that then? I'll eat this one, okay?
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Gummy bears!
Oh, I missed first try!
Bronze before beauty. Max, you wait. Let's
Oh,
see.
he's reaching in.
Let's,
Here we go.
Ooh, wait. That's nice. It's different.
Different?
Could be a caterpillar.
Alright, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. I
Alright.
can't handle any more of that. You have an idea what it is?
Well, let's see. Could be
Don't give me that. Don't give me that.
could be a
Nope.
dog toy.
Dog toy.
Alright, you'll see. Give it a nice play.
Uneasy right now.
What do you think it is?
I don't really know. Like, I want to say it's just like cotton balls, but that's just like a
It's a raccoon
very-
tail. Said it. It's a raccoon tail.
little whiff. No.
We can't smell it. Only 1 cent. You know that
Like, it could be cotton
it's a
balls.
dog
it could
toy.
Be a dog toy. The inside of a dog toy. You go first.
It's driving me
Oh
away.
my goodness.
Oh.
Alright,
This is
so
what-
we were both definitely wrong.
Oh, it was not just a Tupperware container. Ooh.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, do you feel that?
It's definitely better not be poop.
It has the consistency of toothpaste.
Ah.
This is a little sticky.
It's not sticky to me.
Ooh.
Maybe
Maybe
a rub in here.
that's
3, 2, 1.
peanut butter. Oh, it's peanut butter. Oh, God. Don't you dare.
I know you wanted to.
Thanks, guys.
I thought it was perfect. I thought it was poop.
Ooh. Ooh. What is that? It's a pony.
Doesn't like me very much.
Just wait till it's big enough where we can take it outside, charge
Walk
admission,
it? Yeah.
have little
Anywhere
pony
we want.
rides. It's a kitty.
Aww.
Oh,
Hi.
kitty.
Hi. Well, everybody, there you have it. What's in the box has been done by the Boro Boys and the.
Thanks for having us.
Have a nice night.
This is your chance to win this disc that'll be signed by Max and me, but mostly Max. Smash that like button, subscribe, comment below on this video for the first ever Boro Boys tapings. You get a chance for this Frisbee.
Ooh. Oh, way more professional. There it is.